Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to make YouTube automation videos with AI. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to produce amazing YouTube videos for free. Let's dive right in. The first step in creating a YouTube automation video is to choose a topic you're passionate about. It could be anything from cooking to technology or even travel. Pick a topic you enjoy talking and make a content more engaging for your audience. For this one, we'll use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and create a script. You'll just need to head to the ChatGPT platform. So first, you'll need to introduce your topic like best travel destinations in 2023. Ask for ideas, stats, and facts. For example, lesser-known travel spots gaining popularity. You could try asking GPT that one. Also, you can engage in a conversation to flesh out your ideas and ask for tips. Compile the most relevant information into a well-structured script. So customize the content to match your style and channel's identity. Review and refine the script for your coherence and flow. Right after that, your script is ready to guide your video creation. Step 2. Now that you have your topic, it's time to grab your viewers' attention with a captivating YouTube intro. We'll use Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform, to create a stunning intro. Choose a template that suits your style, add your channel's name, and customize it to make it uniquely yours. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to make it visually appealing. Then once you're satisfied, download the intro as an image or video file to use it in your video. Step 3. Next, we're going to convert our script into an AI voice narration using Clipchamp. This awesome tool will give your video a professional touch without having to record your own voice. First, visit clipchamp.com, sign in or create a free account if you don't have one. Then click on Create a Video and then start with our AI voiceover. Upload your script or paste the text into the text box. Choose the voice type. It could be male, female, or even multiple voices that best suits your content. Preview the AI-generated narration and make any adjustments to pacing or pronunciation if needed.
Tokyo, Japan, where modernity meets tradition travel vlog.
Once you're happy with the result, click on Add VoiceOver to apply it to your video. Step 4. Once the AI voice narration is ready, it's time to edit our videos. For this one, we're gonna be using CapCut. CapCut is a powerful video editing app that is perfect for beginners. Import your recorded footage or stock videos and start cutting, trimming, and adding effects to make your content visually appealing. The first step is to download or install the CapCut app from your device. Open it and create a new project. Import your recorded footage or stock videos by clicking on the plus button. Drag and drop the video clips to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Use the cutting and trimming tools to remove any unnecessary parts and make your video flow smoothly. Add transitions, filters, and effects to enhance the visual appeal. Include text, stickers, or overlays to add context or engagement to your content. Also adjust the volume levels of your AI-generated voiceover and background music.
Tokyo, Japan.
Once you're satisfied with the edits, you can save the video. And to add more depth to your video, Step 5, consider using stock videos. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash offer a wide range of high-quality stock footage you can use for free. Make sure the stock videos you choose complement your content and enhance the overall viewer experience. First thing to this is you'll just need to visit the website like Pixel and then use their search bar to look for stock videos related to your chosen topic. Download the desired videos and save them to a folder in your device for easy access during editing. Then right after, you can add it to the video editor that you're using, which is CapCut. Step 6. Accessibility is crucial, so you'll want to make sure our videos are captioned.
Tokyo,
Use the
Japan.
auto-create captions feature in your video editing software, or explore online tools like Rev.com to generate accurate captions automatically. Many video editing platforms, including CapCut, already have an auto-generated caption feature. If your video editor doesn't have this feature, you can use online services like Rev to generate accurate captions for your video. So simply upload your video and they will create the captions for you. Step 7. Choose royalty-free music. Background music sets the tone and mood of your video. Look for royalty-free music on platforms like YouTube Audio Library or Epidemic Sound. Ensure the music you select matches the pace of your video and enhances the overall viewing experiences. So in my part in here, the CapCut or the video editor that we are using already has this background music or royalty-free music. So you'll just head to the library for this and then browse through the extensive collection of the music and find a track that matches the mood of your video. Download the music and also add it to your video editing. For step 8, you'll just need to finalize or edit it with your preference. With all the elements in place, it's time to finalize your video or add your personal touch. You can make last-minute edits to perfect the content and ensure it aligns with your vision. Go through your edited video to ensure everything flows smoothly, add the caption, and also add the effects if needed. Ensure audio levels are balanced and then preview to see if it meets your expectation before proceeding. For step 9, we will just do a quick recap so that we've got you covered in the video to reinforce the process in your minds. So first, choose a topic, then create a YouTube intro in Canva, transform your script into an AI voice using Clipchamp, edit the video in CapCut, enhance with stock videos, add auto-generated captions, include royalty-free music, finalize or edit with your preference.
Tokyo, Japan, where modernity meets tradition travel vlog.
And that's it. We've just gone through the step-by-step process of creating engaging YouTube automation videos with AI. Remember, be creative, experiment with different styles, and most importantly, have fun while making your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy YouTubing!